If you want to install iOS launcher or iPhone theme on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, in that case we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download a launcher that is going to provide us that iPhone theme. So we're going to use the search option at the bottom, then we can use the search field at the top, and we can type something like iPhone launcher or iOS launcher and so on and so forth. And then we should be able to find many example launchers that you can of course try. You can pick whichever you wish to try. I actually recommend you to do so in order to try to find your favorite one, even though the purpose of these launchers is exactly the same. There you might be able to spot some differences here and there. I'm gonna use this launcher specifically, so I'm gonna show you how to set this one up, which shouldn't be too difficult. But like I said, feel free to try anything else in case you don't like this one or in case it doesn't work for you as intended. So in here we didn't have to allow the launcher to access a location, but I'm gonna allow the access to contacts and access to photos and videos. Over here what we need to do is we need to go to make default launcher. There's an ad unfortunately, so let's wait for it to be done. After that, we're gonna tap on OK. We are going to be redirected to the default launcher selection. And of course, we want to switch from the POCO launcher to iOS launcher. And here we have the information about the blur, but it appears on every smartphone, so we can just ignore it. Over here, tap on Got It. And there we go. We have our iOS launcher. We have the app library as well. So now you can enjoy the iOS theme on your phone. Leave a like and subscribe.